I got some kryptonite ultra huge mega tie rods for my truck finally here at Jacob. If you need anything kryptonite, anything, get some or go to his little website at Speed Stop Shop here in Idaho. His name's Jacob. Tell him I sent you, and he'll get them to you really quick. It's pretty fast. But yeah, here they are. They're freaking comes with everything. Your little anti-seizure, Loctite. Sorry, my kids are kind of loud or something, so if you hear kids screaming in the background. But man, these things are beefy. Freak, man, that's crazy. Let's try them on the truck. Compare them. Come on. Oh, dude, easy. Even with the sleeves, they're bigger than the tie rods with the sleeves. Crazy. So, but first, so it might be a couple weeks before this video comes out, but what we're gonna do is put these on here later. But first, we're gonna get these powder coated. Just the little sleeve part, because obviously, I mean, you could, but you know, if these ball joints wear out, you're gonna have to replace it and then get powder coating in. But we're just gonna get these parts, get these off, and powder coat the sleeve parts. But it's just more of an unboxing thing. So make sure you get it warranted, which I already did. Comes with all your stuff. Turn off the light. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to buy a bigger wrench or something because this site's huge. That way, if you need to, you can read all of it. So, anyways, we'll get that installed later. That'll be nice. But yeah, talk to Jacob, get you some. I'm sure he'll get you a good deal. If not, or I mean, guess they're all like MSRBP or whatever you want to call it, all the same price, but he'll get them to you faster than pretty much anyone else can. So try to put down a link below to grab him some, and yeah, good to go.